Here x takes the values 0, 2, 4 and 5. So clearly x is a discrete random variable. To find the value of p, we use the property summation p of x equal to 1 for a discrete PDF. So adding the probabilities, p plus 2p plus 3p plus p equal to 1. That means 7p equal to 1 or p equal to 1 by 7. The mean means expected value of x. We know that the formula for e of x for a discrete random variable is summation x into p of x. So summation x into p of x means 0 times p plus 2 times 2p plus 4 times 3p plus 5 times p. On multiplication, we get e of x equal to 0 plus 4p plus 12p plus 5p or 21p. Replace p with 1 by 7.